This is outcome 1 in Unit 1, and first question is compound interest question. A bank pays 5% compound interest per annum. How much will be received after 2 years on a deposit of £480? So our multiplier here is going to be 1.05 because we're going to have our original amount, which is the 1, and we're increasing it by 5%. It's over 2 years, so it's going to be squared, and we're going to multiply by our original amount, which is 480, which gives us £529.20. Now you could also have done it the long way, so you could have found 5% of 480, which is £24. You could have added it on, so in year 1 we would have had 480 plus 24, which is 504, and then you could have found 5% of that, which would have been £25.20. And you could have said that in year 2 you would have £529.20 the same way. Now what we need to be careful of here is checking the wording of the question. Do they want to know how much is in the account, or do they want to know how much interest was earned? And in this question it's asked how much interest would be received, so we need to subtract our original amount. So £529.20 taking away the 480 that we originally had would give us £49.20 is what we've earned in interest. Second question is appreciation and depreciation. In this particular case it's depreciation. A car was £15,000. It depreciated by 17% after the first year and 9% after the second year. Calculate the value of the car after 2 years. Again, you can do it two ways. We're going to choose to say that it's decreased by 17%, which means we have 83% of the value left. So I'm going to take original value, which is 15,000, multiply it by 0.83, which is the decimal form of 83%, and that gives us 12,450. That's at the end of the first year. At the second year it depreciates by 9%, which means we have 91% of our original amount left over. And at the beginning of year 2, remember, this is what it's worth. So this is what we're finding 91% of, not the original value. So we've got 12,450 times 0.91, which is the decimal equivalent of 91%, which is 11,329.50. So at the end of the second year it's worth £11,329.50. And I'm just going to double check the wording of the question. It's the value of the car that we're looking for, and that is the value of the car there. The amount that is depreciated would be the original value, 15,000. Take away this value here. That's it for outcome 1. There's only 2 questions.